Okay, here we are out in Derby, New York, and we've got the old trailer, the old employee we're swapping for a new employee. This guy's filling up with garbage. We got a big tear off that Mother Nature's allowing us to get done. So we got the uppers, it's all 2-layer strip. We got the uppers off, the upper stripped, and we're shingling it right now. We had one bad sheet of plywood up there. And we're working on the lowers now. And once they get that shipped off and filled up that dumpster or that dump trailer, I will be swapping them out. So don't forget, we've got the additional 2-year labor warranty for any winter work done. Because people seem to think that we can't do the work in the winter, and that's just not so. And we've got thousands and thousands of jobs that we have done throughout the 35 or 40 years in the winter. So we do it. Okay. So this back is all stripped. That's all they got is left is that front strip. So they couldn't fit it inside of that other trailer. So we got it here. We're gonna end up reflashing the walls and go from there. Got to get the customer a price on. She wants to redo this corrugated roofing on the back here too, which needs to be done. But that's not part of our contract. Our goal is to get this part of it done. So decking's in great shape, like I said, except for one. How we doing, Dave? Okay. Time to swap it out. Just got a little pile of garbage there.